This is a Sterling crane truck. This video is mostly for the engine. We just got it started, proving that the engine runs. Alright, this video is because we might cut up this truck, and then let me just hop up here real quick. We have miles of 300 and it's hard to see. There we go, 324 as you can see in the video. We got good oil pressure. We just literally got started, so there's no water temp. All the gauges work, meaning that the ECM works, that is reading all the gauges. No check engine lights as you can see. We got that red light for the airs, but that doesn't involve the engine. We got tack, we got revving. The truck has been sitting for a while. Nice and clean and nice sounding as well. No odd noise for this Mercedes. Alright, is there anything else you want me to record? Oh, nothing. It's completely clear. Alright, again, this truck's been sitting for a while. It has an engine brake. Oh, that's truck. Alright, cruise control works. So there is nothing wrong with this engine. The only reason why it went out of service is because it's a Sterling. It came from a multi-million-dollar company and their drivers like nice things. Alright, well, thank you for watching my video.